Come on, little Sasquatch. Come on. Let's give it a try. Give it a try, baby. Come on. Give it a try. Give it a try. Give it a try. Come on. Come on. Give it a try. You can go in and fly. I save you. If there's trouble, I save you. Yes. Look. He's having fun. He's having fun. Yes, you gotta be careful, but he's having fun. He and Sunshine have kind of made friends. Look at that. Look at that. It's him and Blueberry we gotta watch. Yes. Maybe she can be a little mean to Blueberry. Come on. We can put other toys in. More toys, more food. Come on. Come on. Look how happy he is. Look how happy he is. He can teach you things, see? Yes. Come on, little Sasquatch. Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout, you can go in there. Tell Brussels sprout he can go in. Tell him. Tell Brussels sprout he can go in. Come on. It's big enough for all of you. It's big enough for all of you. Don't you be mean. Don't you be mean. No be mean.
White people, this is a family affair for who care about their families out there.
Yes, you pick a bookie.
Everybody love.
Come on. Help Sasquatch. Help Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout wants to come in. Brussels sprout a little scared to come in. Come on. Come on. Help Brussels sprout. Come on. There's a problem there. Little problem there. Come on, little bookies. Sunshine, water bottle. Water. Water. We were nice. We were nice. We were nice. Come on. Come on, we get one more. We get one more. Come on. You want to go in there? You gotta go down to the door, honey. You gotta go down to the door. Go down to the door, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's going to be nice. Nice. Nice, Pookie. Where'd Sunshine go? Where's Sunshine? He's down there. You still get along fairly good. Alright, we're gonna try and get Blueberry. Or, Brussels sprout. Alright.
It's coming at ya. You move whenever you believe in love. It's coming at ya. I believe in love. I'm about to say, I believe in love.
They're pretty fast, isn't they, Bookies? He got you spinning. He got you spinning. He's littler than you. He fly like a son of a gun. Yes. So he can teach you tricks. It'll be nice. Be nice.